dear customers, I'd like to recommend our QLQ number 3 nylon zipper for you. This is our number 3 nylon zipper. The weight is about 1.15 kilogram 100 meters. It means for 1 meters is 11.5 grams. We also have the quality for 0.95 gram for 100 meters. Okay, you can see the monofilament is very clean and transparent because we use the A quality for this quality. And also you can see the zipper taper is very good, very tightly, very nice. Okay, and this is the white color, this is the black color, and this is the pink color and the green color. See, let me show you the lining. It's very smooth. Okay, the lining is very smooth. You can consider to buy the finished zipper from our side over the long chain. Look at this is the long chain zipper, black color, and this is the white color, this is green color. Most of customers buy the dye color from us, but if you have the dyeing machine, you can consider to buy the low color from us. For the packing weight, normally we use 400 meters as one low. However, it should depend on your requirement. For example, for the low color, some customers requested us to pack 500 meters per low in order to sever the connector point. And also, we are selling the number 3 slider, 3 parts, puller, spring, and the body. Okay, we have a different quality for number 3. From the quality 700 pieces per kilo to be 900 pieces per kilo, we have a different quality. And for the slider, we can make the plating like this one, nickel plating, or the painting like a black color, pink color, yellow color, or a different color for you. This zipper we just for showing the lining filling, so we didn't match the color for each zipper. Normally for the white color we will make the pen or nickel, the white pen over the nickel color plating. For this color we will match the pink paint. For the green we will make the green paint slider for match the zipper. So if you are interested for the number 3 nylon zipper, you are welcome to contact us anytime. Thank you.